I'm using hotspot. How is it related?
Ma'am, I have not received because at my home there is a net issue.
You are talking to me and you can't check your mail. Huh? Whom are you making a fool? Now you
Ma'am, there is a net issue.
One sec. You want to act smart, no? Wait. I'll present my screen. You don't want to tell your parents, no? I will show you my screen. Wait. You people don't force me to do all this. See this. Are you able to see? Dhruv?
Yes, ma'am.
You have written me a mail. Ma'am, at my home there is a power cut, so the network is not working. I have tried to connect hotspot, but it is showing can't connect to the network. Okay. You have sent me this mail at 12:58 p.m. on August 18. And just after 1 minute, I replied, attend the class tomorrow with group 2. Right? Look at the
को
mail.
मिला
Ma'am, see my mother.
21 को मिला आपने जो भेजा है
वो उसमें मेरा प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ना मैम कि आप 21 को देख रहे हो।
ध्रुव ने अटेंड नहीं किया है मैम। देखो अभी मैं मेरी स्क्रीन पे है 21 को है। देखो ये आपका
मैम आप ऊपर का मेल देखिए। 21 को मैंने उसको ये मेल फॉरवर्ड किया है दिखाने के लिए कि ध्रुव देखो मैंने तुम्हें ये मेल भेजा था 18 को। आप वही मेल खोल के ऊपर का मैसेज पढ़िए मेरा।
नहीं
21 को जो आपको मेल मिला है
शायद नहीं
21 वाला मेल खोलिए।
21 वाला, हाँ 21 वाला देखा,
उसको पढ़िए पूरा ऊपर।
Check this mail through. I have replied to your mail and instruct you to attend the class the next day with group 2, but you still did not attend.
That's what I'm saying. ऊपर वाली लाइन पढ़ो ध्रुव।
मैम इतना ही है।
स्क्रॉल करो उसको। मेरे को दिख रहा है स्क्रीन पे तो आपको क्यों नहीं दिख रहा है? ऐसा कैसे पॉसिबल है कि मेरा मेल अलग है आपका अलग है?
Attend the class tomorrow with group 2.
Yes, यही
12:59.
हाँ, इसने 12:58 को मुझे मैसेज किया और 12:59 को मैंने उसको रिप्लाई कर दिया था।
But then you have not got the mail on only.
It's okay.
अभी भी वो आर्ग्यू ही करेगा।
Okay.
Sorry.
Dhruv, if you are not checking your mail, am I responsible for your not attending the class?
I was online only on 12:59.
So that's your problem, no? You did not check.
But ma'am, I cannot see only your mail.
So what am I supposed to do in this? Tell me. You can't see my mail. You can't check my mail. You could not get my mail. What is the other option I have?
Sorry.
I replied to your mail immediately. Right? 12:58 and 12:59. Still, if you don't attend the class, then sorry, nothing can be done. You have to be vigilant that if you send somebody a mail, you're expecting an answer. So you're supposed to check your mailbox. Did Catherine ma'am answer? Yes or no, Dhruv? Do we not wait for a reply?
Yeah, ma'am.
Children, take out your books, page number 78. Today we don't have a CT, right? We have a CT tomorrow for dictation, and then we have the CT for unit 4, crying and elder brother, right?
Ma'am, page number.
Please check your timetable, exam timetable, CT timetable that I sent for English. This is page number 78.
Ma'am, of which book?
Marigold book, The Lazy Frog. I'm just presenting my screen. Wait a minute.
Writing's not that easy, but Grammarly can help. This sentence is grammatically correct. Unit 5, The Lazy Frog.
Ma'am, I can't see your presentation.
Yes, ma'am.
I have
Yes, ma'am, I
presented.
can't see your
It'll take some time. It'll take some time, children. Wait. It's coming up.
No, we can see.
Are you able to see, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, able to see.
Okay, I am playing and one sec. Let me switch off my.
Ma'am, your mic is off.
Fred is a very lazy frog who lolls all day upon a log. He always manages to shirk doing a single stroke of work. His poor old mother calls in vain, "Come in and help." He does not bother to move 2 inches, much preferring to be extremely hard of hearing. He lies there in a silent heap and stays conveniently asleep. If a lady frog hops past, you'd think he would get up at last to bow and help her on her way. But no, I'm ashamed to say that when a lady frog comes by, he does not open up one eye. Gulp, Cognitive Academic, The Lazy Frog.
Ma'am, your mic is off. Yes, ma'am, your
Your
mic is
mic
off.
is off. And your mic is off.
Okay, have you understood the poem?
Yes, ma'am.
It's a very easy poem. It is the poem of a mother frog and a baby frog, wherein the mother frog is facing difficulties because the baby frog is not helping the mother frog at all in any of the work that she does. Or if she asks the baby frog to do something, he's never there for helping. So this is the poem of a lazy frog who does nothing but sleeps all day. And even if a female frog passes by, He doesn't even bother to help the frog out of courtesy. Like he does. What is the poet saying? He does not open up even one eye. He does not even bother to see who's come. He just sleeps the way he was sleeping. So what do we learn from this poem?
Not lazy. Never be lazy.
Don't be
Never
lazy.
be
When are we lazy normally? When do we behave lazily?
Ma'am, at night.
when we get up.
At night.
We want
Ma'am, when our parents force us to do study.
when our parents force us to do something which we don't want to do, we don't listen to them and we just sit here and there and pass our time. And then what happens? Mama gets angry.
And then I was like,
Then you get a slap. Oh. Mama slaps you. Huh?
ma'am, all my family members.
Seriously?
Yeah, ma'am.
I want to talk to Mama after the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, today is her class. After the class. Yes, Anand. You are a slapping word. Slapping punch bag. Slap bag. Anand, please put your mic when I'm talking.
When we get up, so we feel like that we go sleep now. We can sleep.
3, 4, 5
Then
minutes.
yes, ma'am. Then
So you
then mom
sleep.
came and then
She
mom
wakes you
came.
up.
Then one time my mom came and take a bucket of water and put on me. Ma'am, and the water was very cold.
Poor Anand. See, you people force elders to do all these things. If you get up in one time, why would have Mama done this? Why would have Mama slapped Vivan? Why would have Mama poured water on Anand? Why? Because we don't listen to our parents. Right? That's why they get angry. You people, provoke them to hit you. So don't do things by which they get angry on you. What are the other occasions when we are very angry? We don't want to do anything. We just want to laze around. On holidays, when we have a holiday, we just want to get rid of our normal routine, right? Today, Mama, there is no online class. Let me sleep a little late. Let me have breakfast a little late. Let me take bath a little late. Don't we say that on a holiday? Yes? We want to sleep a little. Mama, you tell Mama at night only. Mama, tomorrow is my holiday. Please don't wake me tomorrow. No? Don't you do that? Yes, no?
Can I tell something?
Yes, meet.
No.
Meet.
Ma'am, on holidays, it happened with me or everyone. Whenever there is holiday, I plan to woke up at 1 p.m. or 12 p.m. But when I woke up and see time, it's 10:30 a.m.
So you know what also happens on holidays? That on working days we feel very sleepy when Mama wakes us up. But when it's a holiday, we wake up automatically. We plan
Ma'am, that's the reason
tomorrow
why.
is a holiday. I will get up at 10. I will sleep till late. But somehow you get up at the same time. You end up getting up at the same time.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
ma'am,
please.
because, ma'am,
Isha, you've raised your hand.
Yes, ma'am. I was saying whenever there is weekend, in the morning we think that we'll wake up today at 10 a.m. But somehow we wake up at 9:30 or 8:30 at our normal school time.
I know. We
Ma'am,
don't put an alarm on that day, but still we wake up early. That's what happens with me.
Ma'am,
Yes, Rudra.
ma'am, because we are fresh when
We
we
are
sleep.
relaxed. When we sleep,
Yes.
we are relaxed that tomorrow I don't have to wake up. So we are relaxed. So we wake up fresh in the morning on a
And
holiday
in the
than
weekdays,
on a working day.
On
What,
an
Jishna?
working day, and
Jishna,
ma'am on
Jishna was saying something.
yeah, ma'am. And on the weekdays, always at night, we think that we have an online class tomorrow and we need to wake up early and all.
Yes. So the same is the frog. He always. Farzan, please switch off your mic. My
oh sorry
voice
ma'am.
is okay. So let's do the new words. LOL means here to lie around lazily. It is not the LOL that you use in your chats. Okay, LOL, LOL. Laugh out loud. It is not that LOL. Okay, it is LOL. That means to lie around lazily. Log, we all know what is log. Log is a log of wood, trunk of a tree that has been cut from both the sides. Log. Shirk means to not do something you should do. To not do something that you should actually do. That is called shirking. In vain, uselessly, prefer, like something better, hard of hearing means deaf. And bow means, we all know bow. There are two bows. One is bow, the bow that we wear here on our shirts, and the other bow is the bow and arrow, and the other bow is to bend your head to show respect. We bow down in front of God, right? When we go
Then
to a
in karate
temple.
also.
What we want?
In karate also.
In karate, yeah. Chinese bow down everywhere out of respect. They bow down in front of everyone. And they don't see that that person is elder, that person is younger. They bow down in front of everyone. Okay. So what did the frog do all day? We've read the poem. Tell me, what did the frog do all day? Yes, me.
Ma'am, he all day he sleeps.
The whole day he used to sleep. Okay. Besides being lazy, besides lazy, what other word can you think of to describe the frog? How was the frog? Give me the characteristics of frog. He was lazy, and what else was he? Yes, Vihan. What else was he?
Ma'am, he was a sleepyhead.
He was a sleepyhead. Yes, correct. Then, Jishna, give me some words, adjectives to describe the frog. Huh?
I'm
What?
still thinking.
Still thinking. Okay. Anand, tell me.
Ma'am, may I go to washroom?
Yeah. Anand, what is it? Meat.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Ma'am,
and one more, but I forgot that word.
You forgot the word.
ma'am,
Riddhi.
Yes,
can
Riddhi, sorry. Riddhi.
Shameless.
Shameless. Actually, he was shameless. He had no effect on his body, even if Mama scolded him. Yes, Jishna.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, useless. Ma'am, can I say?
Can Jishna say, I need your permission? Yes, Jishna.
Ma'am, a useless boy.
Useless frog. Yes, Vidisha. The frog was
when Lady Frog came nearby him, so he don't open her eyes also.
Ma'am, can I go to washroom?
She was lazy. Yes, Fazan. Vivan.
Can I go to washroom?
Yes,
Ma'am,
Fazan.
can I say?
Frog walked by the lazy frog, so he was not ready to open an eye also.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
drowsiness.
Ma'am, you can say.
And then he was there.
Ma'am, drowsiness.
drowsy. Yeah. He used to always feel drowsy all the time. You always be
Ma'am, lethargic.
lethargic. He always used to feel lethargic.
That means
Lethargic means I am feeling lazy all the time. Tired all the time. Tired without work. That's called lethargic. When you don't do any work and you feel tired, you feel lethargic. Hard of hearing. Jishna is saying he was hard of hearing. Yes. Who all are hard of hearing? What do you
Deaf.
mean by hard of hearing? Somebody
Deaf.
who doesn't pay heed to what you say, right? That person is hard of hearing. It's not that actually that person cannot hear us, but that person is hard of hearing means he doesn't react to what I say. Dhruv, tell me another adjective. Dhruv,
Yes, ma'am.
for the frog. How was the frog?
Ma'am, he was lazy.
We all know. The title of the poem is The Lazy Frog. What else?
Ma'am, he was lazy and ma'am, he do not want to do any work.
He doesn't want to do any work. Okay. Complete the sentences with reference to the poem.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I say please?
Ma'am, I have a doubt. The frog is a boy or a girl?
We don't know whether it's a boy or a girl. For animals, we don't use pronouns of boy and girl, he or she, until and unless we know particularly whether it's a boy or a girl. So what do we use, Divyosha? For animals, which pronoun do we use for animals and things?
Ma'am, your voice is echoing.
Because Anand is switching on his mic. So definitely my voice will echo.
Can I say the frog was stubborn?
What I asked, the frog was?
Stubborn.
What are we discussing, I asked right now? What are we discussing? We are discussing which pronoun will we use for the frog. Divyosha, which pronoun do we use for animals? And for things, which is a neutral pronoun. Like for boys, we use he, right? For girls, we use she. For many people, we use we or they. So what do we use for animals?
The.
The. The is a pronoun. The is an article. We use it. What do we use? It.
and it.
Okay. So for animals whose gender we don't know, we use it.
Ma'am, but the frog is a boy because his name is Fred.
Yeah, we can say that. Fred. Fred is a very lazy frog. So if we come to know that Fred is a boy, then we can use he. And it is in this poem, Divyosha, it is clearly mentioned they are using pronouns like he, his, he. See? Look at the poem. Yeah. So if we don't know the gender, then we can use it. It means it is used for both. For babies also we use it because we don't know what gender they are. Yes, Anand. Now you can switch on.
When you call out my name, so not
I
my
can't hear you.
ma'am, when you call out my name, ma'am, then I was vomiting because ma'am, I am not well.
Okay. No problem.
That's why I was not able to answer.
It's okay. Okay. Complete the sentences with reference to the poem. With reference to the poem means we'll have to find answers from the poem. When the frog's mother called him, he pretended to dash. Kush Kapadia. Give me the answer. I knew this so very much that he's going to leave the class. Farzan, answer this.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer this. Are you at your home now or you're still out of station?
No, ma'am, out of station. After school, I will come at my home.
After school?
Ma'am,
Today?
yes.
Today?
School will, yeah, today I'm going to my home.
When the school reopens, then you will come back to Surat.
No, today's class was then.
After today's class is over. Okay. Kahan, give me the answer. Kahan is sitting very quietly today. What happened, Kahan?
Ma'am, I am not well, ma'am. I have sent you mail also, and Jyoti, ma'am, I have sent mail also to Jyoti, ma'am.
Okay, fine. I did not
I
check
don't
my
know.
mail yet. Man Rajoria, give me the answer. I just love these people. Nayak, give me the answer.
Ma'am, he pretended to lie.
He pretended to?
Lie.
No. Jishna, he pretended to?
Ma'am, he pretended to be extremely hard of hearing.
So what was he doing actually? He pretended with his eyes closed. What was he pretending? That he
That he didn't answer. That he can't hear.
I am lying on my bed with my eyes closed. If Mama comes in, what will she think? That I am
sleeping.
So what was he pretending? He pretended to sleep. What was he pretending? He pretended to sleep. Please write down there. SLEEP, sleep. When a lady frog hops by, he does not even. This is in the poem. Vidisha, answer. He does not even
Open one eyes.
open up one eye. Good. The answer is open up one eye. Please write down.
Open AI.
Open a eye.
AI.
A, no? A. Now you
Ma'am,
want me also to join the slap gang at your home. E is a vowel, no? How can a come in front of I? I have a I. My a I is spinning. And I. E is a vowel. You've been learning this since grade 1, right, Vivan? See? Open up one eye. That is a line from the poem itself. Open up one eye. Did you like the frog's behavior, Rudra? Did you like the frog's behavior?
No, ma'am.
He behaves with his mother. Why?
No, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, because he was not obeying his mother and was lazy, sleepyhead. That's why.
Vidisha?
I don't like her behavior because she was so lazy and don't help someone.
Because he doesn't help anyone, not someone. He doesn't help anyone. Yeah, Vihan.
Yes, ma'am, because he was so lazy that he doesn't help anyone.
He doesn't help anyone. Yes, Divyosha. Do you like the frog's behavior?
No, ma'am.
Why?
Because he was very lazy and he didn't help anyone. His own mom also tells him and shouts that,
Your mic is off.
ma'am, because he was very lazy and his old mom always shouts and tells him that help me, but he doesn't help.
Right. Okay, children. That's all for today. Please come prepared for the dictation tomorrow. For silent D and E, the words are already posted last week in the dictation list folder. Bye bye, all of you. Vivan, I want to talk to your mama.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, 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 everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye. What is this, Riva? There's a game, no? Puppet. Oh, this also has. It's a game, no? Puppet.
It sounded so. Ma'am, I also got it, but it was.
Call your mama. Vivan, call your mama. Rest of you, please leave. Bye, Victor.
Bye, ma'am.
Jishna, leave the class. Vivan, are you calling mama? Quickly, quickly, I have a class in 4C.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
बोलिए मैम.
विवान बहुत कंप्लेन करता है मुझे आपकी. आप उसकी कंप्लेन करते हो तो
मेरी?
मैं उसको डांटती हूँ. तो उसने आपकी कंप्लेन की, इससे मैं आपको डांटने वाली हूँ आज. वो ऐसा बोलता
मेरी
है
कंप्लेन
कि घर में सब मुझे ना थप्पड़ मारते.
चूल्हा पे क्यों मारते वो नहीं पूछा मैं.
He says that everyone in my house slaps me. Everyone, he said, everyone.
बाहर दादा कभी नहीं मारते, सिर्फ मम्मा ही मारती है.
नहीं, मम्मा मारते हैं, डैडी मारते हैं, भाई भी मारते हैं और मेरी दीदी भी मारते हैं.
तो लेकिन क्यों मारती है वो नहीं पूछा आपने.
मैम और मेरी छोटी बहन भी मारती है.
लेकिन वो सुनता नहीं है किसी की मैम, वो पता है आपको.
वो तो मुझे पता है, पर इतना
हर वक्त फोन और टीवी में, फोन और टीवी में हर बार स्टडी के लिए बोले तो बोर हो जाता है. जो अभी कैसे छुप गया मैंने बोला तो. हाँ, इसीलिए सुनता नहीं ना, इसीलिए मार पड़ती है. हम लोग बोलते हैं कि तू नहीं सुनता तो हमें तुझे मारना पड़ता है, तू सुनता है तो हमें बोलना.
मारना नहीं.
मैम, but now I didn't do this.
अभी तो सब कुछ हाँ करेगा.
No,
मैम के सामने. हाँ.
No, ma'am, at night I study also.
You study at night. Night is the time to study when we are all tired.
Ma'am, in evening also.
So mama is saying that you do things. I told you in the class, no, you people do things which, provokes parents to slap you, right?
कुछ एक्स्ट्रा नहीं करना है मैम. बस लेक्चर फिनिश तो बस सब कुछ फिनिश, पैक करके रख दो बस, और कुछ नहीं.
मैम,
बस फिर मम्मा बोले ठोक ठोक के चलो अभी करो, वर्क करो, सबमिट करो, ये वर्क है, डिक्टेशन करना है, तब करना है.
तो उसका मोबाइल आप ले लो ना.
मैम ले तो कभी कहीं पे भी फिर पड़ा भी मिल जाए ना, फटाफट कब लेके बैठ जाए, ऐसा है. बोलो.
नहीं, लॉक एंड की में रखो, जहाँ आप आपके वो रखते हो ना, कॉस्टली थिंग्स, एक्सपेंसिव थिंग्स, उसमें रखो. ऐसे इधर उधर मत रखो कि उसके हाथ लग जाए. और एक टाइम फिक्स करो कि दिन के इतने टाइम पे ही इसको मोबाइल मिलेगा, इतने टाइम के लिए मिलेगा.
मैम वही तो
मैं नहीं देती तो क्या मैम बाका ले लेता है, बा तो कुछ बोलते ही नहीं है।
मैम
ऐसा
अब मैं
मुझे
नहीं
लगता
लेता
है।
मैम आई नाउ आई
हाँ, yesterday भी लिया था।
मैम as my dad said that do not take my earbuds phone.
See, Papa
अभी
also.
मैं देखती हूँ मैम, अभी ये कितने दिन लगता है, फिर मैं आपको फिर से बाद में बोलूंगी।
हाँ, sure. विवान, अभी मैंने बोला है मम्मा को, nobody will slap you at home, but you will not do anything that they will slap you. You will not do anything. Got it? Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.